Hey guys, welcome to another day tripping video. It is Saturday, September 16th. This should give you a clue of where I am right now. I'm at the Lancaster Balloon Festival. This is the second year in a row that I've been coming. Hoping to see some balloons take off a little later. We're gonna walk around and check things out. So you guys ready to do this? Let's go. All right, so this is the balloon I was standing in front of just a second ago, and you can actually go in it. I did go in it last year. Pretty cool to go inside of a balloon. Maybe I will a little bit. It's gonna get loud here, guys. It's gonna get loud. You can see a lot of people are going in that balloon to check it out. It has a pretty cool experience. We're gonna walk up this way. They are doing helicopter rides. I wanted to do it last year, but didn't make it in time. So I'm thinking about doing it this year. What do you think? Should I? I walked up this way just to give you guys a view of the field. This is where the balloons will be inflated a little later on and hopefully go up. There is a breeze, so it all depends on how strong of a breeze it is. They don't want to go up in the air when you have a strong breeze. You have to have some sort of control. Last year I did see a few go up, and I'm hoping to this year as well. And the helicopter rides are down that way, and here comes one right now. Sure how much they are, but they're not as much as a balloon ride, that's for sure. Balloon rides can be in the neighborhood of $350, $400. That's a lot of money. I think a helicopter ride is a lot less. I'm gonna check it out. Never been in a helicopter, it's on my bucket list. So right over there, they have live music. The band is taking a break right now, but they're going to be back. But this is what I'm interested in right now. A helicopter ride. I'm going to first see how much it is and maybe do it. Here comes one now. I wanted to do the helicopter ride, but they're booked. They're not taking any more. Bummer. So I am so bummed that they are all booked up for the rest of the day for the helicopter rides. I mean, I was gonna do it. It's $60. That's a lot better than $350 or $400 going up in a balloon. But I decided to get something to eat because I haven't eaten anything since breakfast this morning. So I went and got a burger, fries, and a lemonade. And I'm gonna kick back and enjoy this now. And I'll show you what it looks like. And that's it right there. Got a classic burger with cheddar, fries, lemonade, 21 bucks. That's a bargain when you're hungry. That burger was pretty good, and so were the fries. So now I'm gonna walk off some of that burger, walk around, take a look and see what's going on. Once it gets dark, they are gonna inflate some of the balloons and they're gonna be illuminated. So that'll be pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that yet. And I think that they're gonna have fireworks a little later. That'll be nice too. It is a beautiful day. It's about maybe 75 degrees up here in Lancaster. Really, really nice. I mean, pleasant. And a lot of people are here and they're enjoying themselves, just like I am. This vendor right here has some concert posters, and I was looking at some of them. I mean, look. There's Jimi Hendrix, Johnny Cash. That's pretty cool. Jimmy. The Cramps. We got all kinds of stuff here. There's Marley. More Marley. Bowie. That's pretty cool. The Doors. That's very psychedelic. That's how it was back in the 60s. 67, 68. Stones. Temptations. Chicago. Police. Oh, there's Petty. And look how much tickets were. $5.50. $6.50, $7.50, $7.50. Oh, look at this. My boys. Ramones. Rocky. Oh, Billie Holiday. I love Billie Holiday. We got some really cool ones here. I think they're 10 or 12 bucks. And you know, they are repros, they're not the originals. But still. Pretty cool, huh? Stones. Awesome. And on the wall over here, these are coasters. Band coasters. And there's some of Led Zeppelin, Grateful Dead, there's Floyd. They made them look concert posters. Hey, the mixtape one, Guardians of the Galaxy. So if you don't want to go up in a balloon, want to know what it's like to be in a basket, well, they have one right here. Get in it, your picture taken. Wow, that was pretty cool. I felt the heat all the way over here. Alright, so you want to go in here and check it out? Let's go in. This is what it's going to be like to go inside of a balloon. Okay. There it is. Pretty cool. You can see how big it is. Kids are having a good time over here. I'm having a good time too. Make our way out of here now. It's gonna get loud. Last year when I was here, I said that this reminded me of Field of Dreams. I was waiting for Shoeless Joe to walk out with the rest of the White Sox. And it is a corn maze, which I am not going to do because I probably will get lost. It's getting a little dark now, but I like to do it sometime. It's about 20 past 7 right now, so it's starting to get a little dark, and there are some balloons being inflated. There, one here. It's like a spaceship. So I moved down front to this area to get a closer look at the balloons that are being inflated. And I mean, look at this. Check out this one. It's awesome. people are cheering. I really like this one. This looks like a ship. It's called Patriot. Got some colorful ones down here. Look at the sky. Beautiful. This one here. This one over here. It's almost full. Reminds me of the Pink Floyd pig. Yeah, it's just about inflated too. There's another one that just got inflated down that way. That one's getting there. Have one laid out right here that hasn't been inflated or begun to be inflated at all. Now the one that was in front of me is being inflated. It looks patriotic. Red, white, and blue. Check out that one. That's awesome. All the creativity that goes into designing these balloons, incredible. There's already a lot more balloons inflated than what I saw last year. It was just a few last year, but I mean, look, they're still being inflated. That one's pretty cool over there. Check out that one. So amazing. That one down there is a Dalmatian. Patriotic one there. One right in front of me. Look at this. I think the pig is my favorite so far. Two, three, 4, 5, 6 inflated there. There's one behind that one, and there's one being inflated right there, and another one right there. It looks like the piggy balloon is doing tether rides. It goes up so high. That is a lot less expensive than $350 or $400 to go up in it. But look at this. So many are inflated, and they're still inflating more. Really awesome lit up like that. Look at that one. Oh. Check this out. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that. That's so cool. And look at this one back here. Look at this guy. So cool. What an incredible sight. This is what that shuttle looks like, completely inflated. There's the basket right there. So it does go up. How cool is that? Would love to see that up in the sky. Shuttle made it so close to us. Look at this. It's like right there. That is so cool. I mean, this is right there. It almost looks like it's actual size, doesn't it? It's coming our way. See how close it is to the crowd. They could even touch it. Some people are. So none of them are going to be going up. It's dark, of course. They're just inflating them for the visual effect, and it is very cool. It's going on 8:30 right now, and some of the balloons are still inflated, but some are being deflated or have been deflated, just like the Patriot ship there. That was one of my favorite ones. I like the Dalmatian down there too. My favorite ones are the Patriot, the shuttle there, Piggy, Pink Floyd Pig. The alien, well, the alien just got deflated, but he's right there. But all of them, amazing. They're actually still doing tethered rides there. And they are going to be doing fireworks shortly. I don't know where they're going to be launching them from, but I'm sure we'll be able to see them wherever we are. How amazing was that? I've never seen the illuminated balloons before. So this was a treat. It didn't matter that they didn't go up earlier. This is very cool. This one here is being deflated. You can see how they do it. Look at the top.
Simeon, come on! Come on in, guys!
Not too many are still inflated. There you have it. Now we're waiting on fireworks. It is about 8:45 right now. Fireworks are going to be going off at 9 o'clock. So what I decided to do is go to my car, because I'll be able to see them from this field. And my car is up here somewhere, and I want to find that. It actually got cool. I mean, I could use a hoodie right now, and I do have one in the car. But it got cool, but it feels good. It feels really good. It's a crisp, cool night. It took a few extra minutes, but I did find my car, and this is where I parked, and you can see that's where the field is. The balloons were in that area right up in here. And I think that's where the fireworks are going to be going off. So we're in a good spot right here. And once they are finished, I can make a quick getaway. I got about an hour drive to get back to the coolest town in the world, Port Deposit. All right, so I was wrong. They're not at the field down here. They're right behind me. So let's go over this way. There we go. What a way to end the evening, huh? A fireworks show. And they were really good. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. A lot of people stayed to watch them too. And what's cool is it's a moonless evening, so it's really dark and nice and black up there. I think it's the grand finale. That's pretty cool. And there you have it. That was really, really awesome. What a show. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. Day tripping up here in Lancaster to the Balloon Festival. Second year in a row that I've done it. I will be back next year, and I'm gonna make sure I get on that helicopter next year. I really want to do that. It's on a bucket list. So with that being said, I'm going to start making my way back to the coolest town in the world, Port Deposit. Got about an hour drive. I'll see you on the next video. Be a good human being. Remember to share a smile and be the reason why someone does smile. This is Pete saying, peace out.